you crashed and now you need to buy new antenna. Before you buy new antenna, watch this video. Maybe this will save your money. Crashing in FPV is not most pleasant part of the hobby, but in the same time that is very big part of the hobby. I mean, because crashes teaches you a lot of things. I mean, I'm not saying that on purpose you need to crash to get better, but eventually you are learning from your mistakes, I hope. From crashes is antennas. I mean, how many times I broke antenna, especially the DJI ones, which is on the side or back of the drone and everything. I mean, original DJI antennas, these ones, the cost of them is plus minus 16, 17 euros in my currency. So you just do the calculation in your own. But DJI have as well linear antennas, which basically is coming for tiny whoops, and the 04 Lite air unit is by default coming with a small antenna, which is linear antenna. So after a crash with Air Mini, my antenna, the DJI, the round one, was broken. The top went off and it was bent and blah, 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 and I was losing the signal and so on, so on. I was trying some time just to fly around. I will put the video here so you can see, even actually behind the tree, I was losing the signal. So I needed to change antenna, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I should order new DJI or maybe SMA. I had SMA antennas before, how the lollipops and all these, they broke as well. And then I was like, okay, probably I will need to order new antenna, spend 20 euros, and I will be fine back flying. But then I remembered that I had Meteor 75 with 04 Lite unit, and there was a small antenna, which was the linear antenna. So this is what I done basically, to test it out, how it is actually to fly in a bando with this small thingy. I mean, this thing costing like 2 euros, that is literally 8 times cheaper than the big one. And if that is 8 times cheaper, and plus on a paper, this small thingy is ranged at 10 kilometers. First things I would, it's getting hot. First thing, exactly, I would not suggest it to try long range with the small linear antenna, but in a bando, let's say for 3.5s and even 2.5, 3s, even 4 maybe, I think that would be a very good option. So basically this is what we will be doing today. So I am in the bando, and I will test it out a little bit to fly around to see what is the penetration through the cement wall, some metal wall, and so on, so on, so on. So in the end of this video, we will find out, is the linear antenna of 04 actually good choice if you are planning to fly in a bandos. So let's get up with Air Mini and let's see how it holds up. So we will be using 4S batteries as they suggested. Air Mini should be with 4S. If you are making Air Mini with 6S, I mean, what kind of fucking fetish you are? I mean, sorry, even if you look on its FPV website, suggested battery 4S, that's it, finished. Anyway, even though I have 6S motors. Oops. Anyway, so will it be okay or no? Let's see. Let's get up in the air and let's see. For Air Mini, I actually need to change the XT60, XT30 cable, because after a crash it went something, and somewhere when I'm moving the cable it's switching on and off, so but that is not about fixing Air. It's about actually testing the linear antenna in the bando situation to actually see how it is. Let's see, it's connected. So setting wise, we will be flying in race mode. That bandwidth 20 megahertz, and I am on channel 6, I think. Yeah. Air Mini linear antennas. Why it's so hot in Cyprus? I mean, it's like 32 degrees now. I mean, I should go to beach, probably. Anyway, so let's get up in the air and let's fly around a little bit to see if it's actually... So, I think I need to switch on the defog thing. Okay. I didn't fly for some time, let's see. And there we lost the signal. It's again the... we are back online. It's again the stupid thing, I need to change that cable. So till now, it's fine. Let's go a little bit outside. There is some 3 walls in between. I will try to go slower. Video signal is amazing. There was slightly, so that's me. Okay. Can we go inside in there? Will it be enough? The best would be here. That will be a test. That is literally 2 buildings. That was my track here. Oh my God, the link quality, low battery already. Oh my God, I hate these batteries. So let's go on this side. Easy, easy. It's already showing low battery. I mean, I hate these batteries. But as you see, I mean, I will try to get up with another one. What was that? I landed on the on something. But as you saw, I literally went in the second building. There is literally like 1, 2, 3, 4 walls. 4 walls. 4. Sorry, my bad. 4 walls in between. And it didn't even drop. It's slightly dropped from 20 megabits to 18, 19. But, I mean, this thing, and it's 2 euros. It's 2 euros. I mean, it's 8 times cheaper than actually buying the proper antenna with the round thing. Anyway, I will get up with another battery and I will try to fly one more time, and then we'll see. Then we'll see for conclusion. So let's get up in the air and let's see. Second battery with Air Mini. Let's get up. Till now, flying with linear antenna seems way better than with actual 04 antenna. All is connected, very good. Let's get up again on the second building. Okay, here I a little bit was losing the signal here. That is already like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 walls and literally 2 roofs. Here it was slightly losing a signal, but now it seems okay again. Here, behind the bando, it's going amazing. It's like 4 walls. Now we are completely behind. It's still 20 megabits. I mean, linear antennas, guys. I mean, so this is the thing. I wanted to try Matty, but it's not about the tricks this time. I mean, it's actually about, we have the final boss of the test, which is second floor. Amazing. No issues at all. I mean, that was never disarmed. That is never disarmed. I wanted to try Matty, but I sort of failed. Here we go, Matty. I needed to proceed with something. But here you go. There was somewhere a gap. Here was a gap. Here we go. I needed to do the power loop here. Low battery. Oh, man. So here you go. Let's bring it back. What the fuck was that? The boom. Whew.
Telemetry lost.
Telemetry lost. So here you go. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. Anyway, if you crash and you break your antenna, don't waste the money on SMA pigtail, SMA antenna, which together, let's say pigtails is very cheap. They are like few cents, euros even for a pigtail. The SMA antenna, you need to know which antenna you need to get, is the LHCP or whatsoever, but that will cost you around cheapest one as well, 10-ish euros. So that is already like 11 euros. Okay, that is cheaper than actually DJI antenna, but in that case, you just get linear antenna. I mean, from your tiny whoop, stick it on your 3-inch. I have bad feeling that I will be actually testing these 2 linear antennas on 5-inch 04 Pro. I mean, if that will work and without any issues, I mean, anyway, so this video was just to test out this thingy, and as you see, I mean, my screw is coming off. I need to screw it in. Anyway, I will do that, but as you see, don't waste your money on stupid shit. I mean, just get linear antenna connected to, if you have 04 Lite unit from Flyvu, I mean, you can grab some on their website. It's amazing thing for 3-inch, and I'm thinking to get one for 5-inch, but anyway, yeah. 10 out of 10, linear antennas. I mean, switch it, don't waste money on some big antennas and this and that and TPU printing and this. The linear antenna you can literally stick anywhere you want. No. Your mind is. Mine is okay. Mine is to stick it on a drone, not on anything else. Anyway, so yeah. Grab yourself some linear antennas and happy flying. If you want to see how actually far it can go, I can try to stick on GPS for return to home, and I can try the long range. But I'm telling you, the O4 Lite unit was on the paper is 10 kilometers, and that is supposedly with the linear antenna which they have with it. So yeah, here you go. You know what you need to do. And I know you probably was waiting for some different video, but that video which I posted in a post is incoming. My parts is on the way, so that will be big. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.